Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial. And today I'm going to show you how to resize your images in a Medium platform. So the first thing that I want you to do now is to connect to your web portal or your Medium account. And if you don't have already an account, you will need just to sign up with either your Google or Facebook account, or you can just sign up with an email. After you connect to your platform, you will need to click on write so we can add in our images. So the first thing that you will see is this title. So you can have to resize uh, images in Medium, for example, like that. And now we want to add images. So basically, as you know, when you add an image in the Medium platform, you cannot have it resized or do anything or editing to the image. So basically what we can do is to click on add an image, and here when you are going to add and choose your image, you will need to right click on it and then uh, edit with photos. This is a Windows feature. You will have it edit with photos, and then you will resize it, for example, like that, and then just click on save a copy and make sure that not making save so it don't overwrite your image. So save a copy, have it somewhere, for example the desktop. I'm going to save it there, uh, here in the desktop, and then I will search let's for example like that, test, and click on save. So basically now we have our picture now, and then you will search for it in the desktop, and here we have our resized image. We click open, and now you can see your image resized here. So this is how you can resize your images in Adobe in Medium platform. Thank you for watching and see you next time.